Do you know achacha? This exotic fruit, originally from Bolivia and sometimes called achacha iru, isn't very well known in most countries. With a sweet flavor and very juicy, achacha is used for sweet and aphrodisiac recipes. In Bolivia, this fruit is used in ice creams, juices, sodas, and sweet treats. Besides its unique flavor, achacha is also used in popular medicine for its incredible anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, anti-cancer, and antimicrobial properties. But according to research, this fruit has properties that increase energy and stamina. Did you know that achacha is a powerful natural aphrodisiac? People say that those who have an achacha tree in their garden will never need to take that famous blue pill to have more energy. Besides this benefit, achacha also increases immunity. Achacha is great for increasing immunity since it has high levels of vitamin C and antioxidant action. These nutrients are necessary to keep the immune system strong and protect the body against harmful agents. Reduces fluid retention. The potassium present in achacha's composition helps reduce fluid retention by eliminating any excess fluids from the body, making the fruit a great detoxifier. Fights anemia. Iron deficiency lowers the production of red blood cells, which hinders oxygen transport. It reduces the production of blood cells and causes more severe symptoms. To avoid it, eat iron-rich foods, like achacha. Isn't it incredible? Prevents cancer. Recent studies found in achacha some compounds that can fight cancer cells. The research results, done by researchers from Univale and Unicamp, Brazil, indicate more efficiency for eliminating kidney, breast, and prostate cancer. Regulates the digestive system. Due to its high fiber content, achacha eases the digestive process, improving digestion and fighting constipation. Acts as a natural healing. Achacha's skin is a great option to accelerate the healing process after a cut, superficial wound, or ulcers. Through its antioxidant actions, which fight free radicals, this fruit can also aid in skin rejuvenation. In addition to this, it also gets rid of skin blemishes, smoothing the skin and reducing wrinkles and fine lines. Besides these benefits, popular medicine uses the leaves and fruits of achacha as healing, digestive, laxative, and to aid in treating rheumatism, gastric ulcers, and inflammation. Achacha can be found in local markets or in big supermarket chains. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.